feels the cold wind blowing in, chills to the bones through this old den. Wind cuts through like knives on this late ride home. Street signs blur in my head.